Mitosis. Number of chromosomes same in daughter cell as in parent cell. Steps. First step is prophase. Chromatin material condense and form chromosomes. Chromatin material actually a network of thread-like structure. Metaphase. Nuclear envelope disappear. When nuclear envelope disappear, mitotic apparatus is organized. Metaphase. Meta meaning mid. So chromosomes align in the center or align in the equator. So metaphase plate is formed. Anaphase. Chromatids separate from centromere. So sister chromatids travel toward each pole. Telophase. Mitotic apparatus disorganized. Chromatids disappear as chromatin. Nuclear envelope reorganized. Telophase is opposite to prophase. Cytokinesies. Cleavage furrow deepen toward the center and divide the parent cell into two daughter cells. Cleavage furrow formed by two proteins, actin and myosin. Thanks for watching.